Hayibo, ningibonile kodwa ukuthi bengimuhle kanjani namhlanje. I did a live in the morning ngisasenje, ngabuye ngaphinde ngenza I was just live until I finished my makeup. Hayibo guys, into engiyenziwe u-Unblemished Beauty in Durban, Morningside 247 Percy Osborne Road in Morningside. They've moved to new, bigger, beautiful premises. Guys, Unblemished Beauty, it did. Yo, i-beauty therapist yakhona ingenzele one, kodwa ngikho lapho. Mina engifuna ukusho njengamanje ukuthi noma ungamgxeka usamke, ungamjaja usamke, ungasho usho umntana abantu ngoba phela wena uJudge Judy ne? Kodwa kusalayo, mina I know ukuthi wena wake waqoma wena ku-Facebook. Waqoma ku-Facebook, wagileka futhi. Ikona ukuthi ngeke uze usitshele ngoba ucabanga ukuthi ungcono kunathi, Hey! Hello, sanibonani Dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo, lwandle kalola lwezibhekane zona isihambela le kude phezulu. Do join. It's a story time. It's a story time. Kusho ukuthi anginawo ama-creative mina la ekhaya. Kule family anginawo ama-creative ngoba ngicela Nkosi yami ongangenzela ijingle bangaze bayintshontsho into abakayikhonjwa. Kodwa sikho lapha. This is a story time with uMalwandle, uMamzimela, uMamlwandle Woqobo, the original Malwandle. This is a story time. Remember, ukuthi the stories that we are talking about in this channel is for entertainment purposes only. But sometimes siyazixoxa nezakho nama-experiences wakho. Kanti-ke wena uma ngabe uthi uyigwala, uyasaba usixoxela thina ezakho iy'tori ama-experiences wakho. Ufuna mina ngibe ungqavu la, ngibe ungqavu ngikhulume on your behalf. Be my guest, my darling. Gulukutela ku-Facebook wami, gulukutela ku-DM, bhala isitori sakho lapho. Monqena ukusibhala ku-Facebook ngiwuthanda ngoba une-option ye-voice note. Noma uvele ushayeke nje ku-WhatsApp 0719419417 ungakhuluma iy'nto ey'ningi, uvele uhlale phezu kwendaba nje, uhlale kwi-voice note ukuthi Sisizandi nasi isitori sami ngixoxele ngoba mina ngiyasaba ungangivezi ngisho nangobhozo, noma ungene ku-TikTok ungixoxele isitori sakho. It's a story time. Guys, the way singabantu sijajana ngakhona ngezimo zabanye abantu, singomahluleli, singo-Judge Judy, singomongameli, yazi thina nje impilo siyiphethe la. We are in control of everything. Meanwhile, lalela. Mina ngake ngaqoma ku-Facebook. Futhi yazini, a few years after my divorce, I got divorced. I stayed single for a sweet couple of years. And there comes a time now where I feel like, uZandile already. Akabuyele egamini mos. And ithi ngikukhumbuze. Ungakhohlwa phela ukusubscribe, ulike, ucommente, ushare, and futhi wenze sure ukuthi uma unethuba noma unawo nje amasentshanyana ambalwa athi spare, join our channel membership and do give us super thanks. Okunye-ke ngifisa ukukukhumbuza kona yilokhu. Sorry. Ngicela ningithengele phela amanye amabhonethi, yabo, negawuni entsha. Ngizosolo ngingagqoka le gawuni kuphela nje uma ngabe ngikhuluma i-story time. Guys, ake ningispoil kusasa i-Mother's Day. I know ukuthi I'm a mother to some of the people here on this community of life graduates. Aningiphoxe nje ngamabomu, nivele ningithi va nge-voucher ngiyothenga amagawuni amasha. Khani lezi zitori zizoza kamnandi phela, i-uniform ye-story time le. Yabona uma ngabe sesifake lezi uyazi ukuthi story time. Kodwa-ke it's fine, angikho lapho. Uma ngabe ufisa ukungispoiler, you know how to find me, you know what to do, and I love you. I love you and I love you. If you're a mother, happy Mother's Day, happy Mother's Day. Okay, fine. Siselapho. Bengifuna ukuthi kuwena ungalenzi iphutha lokuthi mzukwane udecide ukuba umama. Yabona unyanga kaMeyi, it's known as i-Mother's Day month. Ungalenzi iphutha lokuthi mzukwane udecide ukuba umama. Uvele uzale ingane eyodwa nje zwi. Kube iqandanyana nje elilodwa nje. Yazi mina kuyimanje ngisenkingeni ngoba ngazala ingane eyodwa. Leyo ngane eyodwa isikhulile. Ngayizala ngimncane futhi langithusa ipipi. Ithi ngikutshela ukuthi ipipi mina kahle kahle langithusa ngoba phela umntwana wami ngamthola ngina-17. Mangimthola ngina-17 ngathi kanti ipipi likhukhumalisa isisu. Hayi ngeke phinde ungibone. So I have been strict. Ngaba strict to myself up until I got married. Okay. So now nginalo mntala nje oyedwa zwi. It's a couple of years after I've divorced, after umhlaba ungihlule ngoba hayi cha. Inkosi impela angangeke ngimele ukuba ngangingasayinelanga ukuba se-boxing ring yenye indoda. Ngoba phela mina angikutrainelanga ukudlala amankomane, right? It's a story for another day. Siyeza naleso ungadideki. Sizikha kancane kancane nje ngonyawo likaMoses. Ngaye ngaqoma ke mina kuFacebook. A couple of years after my divorce, ngiza nendaba, iza nendlebe. I'm divorced. I have decided to move from Johannesburg because I could feel ukuthi in Johannesburg I'm no longer safe. I'm being tormented by this ex-husband of mine who knew where I was staying, who was sending people, who got me hijacked at a certain point, who was tormenting me in every possible way, even at the office. Ngangithi ngizihlalele nje ngisasebenza e-UJ, ngiyeza ucingo kring kring ngifonelwa umuntu engingamazi at all but knows everything about me. So I felt unsafe up until I took a drastic decision. I decided, well, it was something that I was going to do in the long run. But at that point, I felt like it's something now I have to do now. So I took a drastic decision. I moved from Johannesburg, bought a plot in the rural side where I'm currently staying and where I'm currently at the moment. Bought that plot, came here in KZN, built a house for myself. Now remember, I'm starting all over again. Angilonely. Mntakabawo umntanami uphi upha kwala Johannesburg. And remember ukuthi ngimsuse eKZN when she was doing grade 11, 10 or 11. I can't remember. Grade 11. I moved her and I came with her to Johannesburg. And now when she came to Johannesburg, they quickly adapt, they make friends quickly. So because on the side is as well there was another mother-in-law from another side of the family. So while it's at around the same time when I was studying overseas. Remember when I was studying overseas, it was not a plan for me, for myself, but I was running away from my husband because I'm a smart person, Stalo. I managed to apply for a scholarship through EUJ program that they were having at the time. So my results were good enough to put me into that program. So I ran away because I wanted to find myself. What is it that I have put myself into? Because I did not sign up for this verbal abuse, this physical abuse, this emotional abuse. This is not what I signed up for. And this man has just changed out of the blue. A man that was so sweet and loving. And I don't understand and how do I deal with this. On top of that, there is cheating like nobody's business. That is where I actually got to know when I was married. It's a story for another day. Get that one. Facebook. I'm divorced. I'm lonely. It's been a couple of sweet years after my divorce. Staying alone where I am. I'm building at the same time. My daughter, my only daughter, is not here with me. I don't know anybody in this place. I've just arrived. Well, I'm nice, like most in the Wasemakaya, you just quickly adapt. I'm minding my own business. Kodwa, guys, I am so lonely. I don't want to mention it. The Sahara Desert that is down there. Kwa. Hayi umuntu wami lo imuphi? Waphansa wagoba mntakabawo. Hayi ungangibuzi ukuthi wawuzobe ugobiswa yini. When you know, you know. Hayi ngingene kule group. I remember that was a group which was full of professional people. The way it was run professionally, like it's a business on its own. I even remember also the guy who was running in admin of the group was the guy who was some manager in some radio station. What was the group called? Let me do not mention the name of the group because mhlambe abanye benu basasekhona kuleyo group. Kodwa all I remember and all I could see now is that in that group, baba, it was just a cycle pin, cycle pin, cycle pin. It was just a rotation of exchange of partners, you know. Abantu bonke lapha they claim ukuthi ba-smart, they claim ukuthi bafundisiwe, banemali, banjani njani. So nami ngilapho-ke, ngani ngoba a friend referred me ukuthi awuzame ngala, ngapha abantu bakhona ba-decent. And singakhohlwa ukuthi at some point Facebook uke waphila. Uke waphila uFacebook. Mina ngifuna ukuqamba amanga, I have a lot of sisters that are not my blood sisters that I met through Facebook. Even this day our relationship is good. Okay, fine. Ngingene kule group, ngi-check i-coast, ngihlale a couple of months, ngiya-engage, ngiyaposta, ngiyathini. Kumnandi kule group. Le group inama-intellectuals, inabo-business people. Uyafunda izinto eziningi kule group. Abantu bayaplakana kule group, imisebenzi ngapha, ama-business opportunities ngapha, intontoni ngapha, ngapha i-engagement, ama-intellectuals ayakhuluma, abepolitiki nabo baya-engage, bafaka kumnandi kule group. I don't want to like, kumnandi igroup yabantu nje abachithekile la and aba-aware about life. And mina-ke I'm just a lover of intellectuals. I'm just a lover of smart people and people who, angakubori. Okay. Ngibuke ngibone ukuthi la kubusy, as much as kubusy, I just have to make myself noticed if I want what I want. Ngiyiphoste-ke nami ngelinye ilanga iprofile yami, ngubani bani bani, ngi-divorced, ngisho nje ukuthi ngifuna into enjani 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 enjani. Okay. Uma ngiyiphosta iprofile yami, abantu abatheleka kwi-inbox man. Hey. Abashayi khona. Yeah. And I even felt like they are not even telling me the truth about who they really are. Up until this one day, I noticed this guy, he has never been in my inbox, but whenever I post something, a topic, he engages, like he likes, he engages. And I even picked up, I'm an academic by profession, so I'm very fast to pick up indlela abantu abacabanga ngayo, nama-characters abantu. I'm a good judge of ingqondo yomuntu at that particular point in time when I'm engaging with ukuthi uwumuntu ocabanga kanjani, yabo. Ngimbone this guy mos ukuthi hayi umuntu ola, yabo, umuntu ola yabo. Ngiyithanda indlela esi-engage ngayo, ngiyithanda indlela esi-engage ngayo, up until a point in time where we even take it to, I won't bore you with the details, but there was a particular point in time where I just throw in 2, 3, 4 words that were like, I wanted to see ukuthi kahle kahle ithini into kaMogai. Ngabona ukuthi ayikho clear uMogai akanamuntu la egrouphini ngoba abantu babejola khona la, kwakuyi-recycle bin, like I said, babejola khona la egrouphini. Ngabona ukuthi hayi uMogai uclear and akana problem even nokulukhuluma lolo qiniso ukuthi hayi la egrouphini njani njani njani. Up until we went to DMs, from DMs to phone number, from phone number, hey Mogai, we are planning now ukuthi usethenga ama-flight tickets, is coming to Durban. And I'm this person who is very, very exclusive and choosy with who comes to my apartment. I may be living in a shack in the darkest dungeon of this mother earth, kodwa I'm very picky ukuthi ubani oza endlini yami, especially owesilisa engingamazi engimfundayo. So uMogai abhukhe, angitshele ukuthi okay, find out, thola-ke izindawo ezi-right la esizobhukha khona-ke. Abhukhe uMogai, athenga amathikithi akhe. Hey, kodwa mani, hayi ngiyawabuka ama-pictures alo muntu. Yayimbi indoda. Hey. And I'm like, okay, ububi busho ukuthini, because at the end of the day we are after the heart, ne? We are after the heart. And mina, I'm this person who is not quick to judge a person by the looks. Because umuntu wakhona bekayi-intellectual, bengiyithanda indlela esi-engage ngayo on the phone and online. And especially that we have quickly dropped the group and we decided to focus on us. So we were talking a lot on the phone. Umugwayi usweetie, ekuseni ngivuka nge-call, how are you? Usebenze kahle. Emini ngiya-check-wa usebenze kahle. Nini and unabo romantic-nyana ncancenyana some, because I even remember ukuthi even before we met, on my birthday, he sent me voucher yase Sobey. I went for a treat at Sobey. I remember that voucher was 700 rand. It was a 700 rand voucher at Sobey. And remember, ukuthi Sobey phela ama-price akhona at one point aba kahle. Ngikhuluma ngento yango-2020 bani? 2018, yeah, ngikhuluma ngento ka-2018. So at the time ama-price ase-Sobey abe-right. So nje ngafike ngahamba, ngafike ngashava, ngaphela wayeza phela. Wayeza phela ngashava. Kuthiwa yini lokushava kwakhona unamathisa ukuthi bese kuyaxebula bese uyathuka kube ngathi kubuhlungunyana kodwa kusheshe kuphela. Kona lokho sengikhohlwe igama lakhona lesingisi, ngenza ney'nzipho, ngenza nama-brows. Ngamuhle phela ukuthi uyeza ubhuti. Kodwa ngine-concern man, and I had a group on WhatsApp that of my beautiful sisters, which we are still friends even now, even though we're no longer that active, but asixabananga. Oh, I love them so much. Nabo ngangihlangana nabo ku-Facebook. So sasabangane nje, sama-ladies, sabangane kumnandi kulo group. Yo, ngasiphosta isithombe sikaMogayi. Guys, ngithola umuntu. Nangumuntu wami. The comments were like, ayi mngani, as long as ezowenza happy, it's fine. Nami ngiyasibuka ngisibuke lesithombe sayo. Isingisi siye sithi, as beautiful as a picture. If lo muntu enje nasesithombeni, angifuni ukuthi wayenjani, nawe phela awusebenzi imagination yakho. Enje nasesithombeni, kusho ukuthi unjani uma umbona in person. The day efika, uvalo lathi nje gugu. Eloke update hawu ngisenda wena ukuthi he opted to take i-grey ward. Akaflyanga first time around. He opted to take i-grey ward because he was like, I'm flying. If I'm flying, I'm going to spend a lot of money and I still have to pay for indawo yokulala and everything. Because ngathi nje Butiza, uze Durban, uze kumina, fine, we're coming here for the first time. There's no way you are staying at my house. I don't know you, and I don't want, you know that kind of, yeah. So that was the story. So wabhukha-ke shem, ngamnikeza amagama ey'ndawo, ama-numbers nani, ngamtshela ukuthi hayi fine uzobhukha-ke. The way I was so anxious that day. Ibhasi lizofika, ayigabhasi ayiligibelile lalizosuka eGoli ngo-7:30, lifike eThekwini ngo-3:30. 3:30 or 4:30. Yeah, it was an Intercape or Greyhound, I can't remember. But lawo mabhasi nje ahamba emini. Hayi uloke ngi-update-ke la ndleleni, hayi sesike-Montrose, hayi sesidlule e-Harrismith, hayi Ntontoni, hayi sesi-stuck e-Maritzburg kwi-traffic. You know that update excitement phakathi ukuthi uyabona umuntu obosuloko ukukhuluma naye efonini. And into yama-video call beyingakobi iningi, ngaku-WhatsApp ubukhona 2018, but ubungenawo video call uWhatsApp ngo-2018, right? So besikhuluma nje, sisendelana ama-pictures nani kuphelele lapho. Sishayeke isikhathi, afika uMlisa. Ngimile eDurban Station across the parking. And at Durban Station, those of you who know Durban, ibhasi malingena, depending ukuthi umekephi, uyalibona lingena because umuntu ukutshelile phela ukuthi eliphi ibhasi aligibelela ngithi. Ngalibona ibhasi lingena, ngawubona. Kwaku-Intercape, wagibela u-Intercape. Nangu u-Intercape shwi, ongena ngo-4. And ibhasi lakhona lingena lizungeze bese lizoma at the front ngoba liyafika lizothulula. Ngalibona ibhasi lima guys. Hey, lami ibhasi nomuntu wami guys. Lami ibhasi guys nomuntu wami. Badilika abantu. I'm standing right across the parking. Yabo? Ngime le abazi Durban Station. La ehlisa khona ibhasi bese kuba igap ye-parking yabantu abahamba ngey'moto. La right closer to where ibhasi ehlisa khona kunalabantu bamateksi amancane, ama-shuttles. And then kunendawo yokulala somewhere lapho nje. And then mina ngime towards the end, towards the corner lale ndawo yokulala. Why? Strategically, because I know ukuthi uma ngime lapho bonke abantu abahlika ebhasini ngizobabona. Did I not want to run for my life? Sengimbona kahle umuntu wami ukuthi bhasi selisukile-ke manje bonke abantu bami phansi ngiyambona. Uyambona umuntu oqalazayo ofuna umuntu ozomlanda ongayazi indawo akufanele aye kuyona. Ngiyambona mos nanguya lo muntu. Yo! Guys, hlanhla sithi yo! Thixo nofefe intoni le endizifake kuyona? Ngiyacabanga-ke manje la engime khona, I'm definitely sure ukuthi akangiboni. Ngiyambona uyaqalaza useyiphethe ibhegi yakhe uyixwayile wayoyibeka lapha emasithini wahlala eduze kwayo, busy uyaqala. And ngiyambona ukuthi he's fiddling with the phone and probably he's trying to call me. And mina eyami ifoni ngaleso sikhathi ik-silent. Ngicela ukuthi guys waphela a sweet 30 minutes ngicabanga ukuthi Zandile, it's the time it's either you run for your life or you go and face the music. Iyaqhubeka ku-part 2. Ngizokutshela ukuthi kwenzakalani okulandelayo. Wena nje ngicela ukuthi ungenzele kona. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and do give us super thanks, and do follow us on all social media platforms, because we are Meaningful Conversations. On TikTok, we are Meaningful Conversations. On Facebook, we are Meaningful Conversations. On Threads, and we are Conversations with Zandi Mfeka on Instagram. Ngicela ningilandele na Instagram. Part 2 wale ndaba uyeza ngonixoxela. Hayi. Yeah. Hayi ngeke ngaqoma ku-Facebook mina. Angeke nje ngizenze ngcono. Nginithule nje nginibukele nithukana nengane yabantu samukele lapha. He nithanda izinto he. Ngake ngaqoma ku-Facebook. Part 2 is coming.